Thinking without movement is disguised avoidance. Overthinking feels responsible until you realize how little it actually produces. The danger with overthinking is that it convinces you you're making progress, while months pass without movement. This isn't about stopping thought. It's about restoring forward motion. Overthinking is often mistaken for diligence. You're analyzing, reviewing, considering every angle. It looks like effort. In the inner ledger, overthinking is not effort. It's stalled energy. Thinking is meant to support action, not replace it. When thinking becomes circular, momentum disappears. Overthinking thrives in uncertainty. It creates the illusion of control. If you keep thinking, you don't have to decide. If you don't decide, you don't have to risk being wrong. This is why overthinking feels safe. But safety has a cost. Every unresolved thought occupies mental space. It fragments attention. It drains clarity quietly. Over time, confidence erodes not because you failed, but because nothing moved. The problem is not intelligence, it's the absence of closure. Overthinking avoids commitment. Commitment exposes outcome. Outcome invites feedback. Feedback requires adjustment. Overthinking skips all of that. In the inner ledger framework, clarity comes from interaction with reality, not mental simulation. Thinking prepares, action informs. Without action, thought decays. This is why decisive people don't necessarily think less, they think briefly, and then engage. Movement collapses options into information. Overthinking keeps options open but information locked out. The shift is not dramatic, it's practical. Decide faster on small things. Accept imperfect first actions, close mental loops. Deliberately completion restores energy. If something has been sitting in your mind for too long, ask, what decision am I postponing? What action would create information instead of speculation? You don't need certainty to move. You need movement to gain certainty. Overthinking feels productive, but momentum creates power. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.